In this Python programming solutions video, we will understand the answer for the question number 2, assignment type C of chapter 1 named Python revision tool of CBSE class 12 computer science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Write a program that returns true if the input number is an even number, false otherwise. We will begin the answer by taking an input and storing it in a variable num. So num is equal to int input, enter any number. Again here we convert or typecast the input, which is a string data type, to an integer data type using the built-in function int. Next, we will use an if-else condition to check whether the num is even or odd. So, if num percentage 2 equals 0. Here, we are using the modulus operator percentage to check whether the number when divided by 2 gives the remainder as 0. This is because we know all even numbers are divisible by 2. Therefore, if the remainder is 0, then it is an even number, otherwise it is an odd number. So we will print accordingly. Print true. Next we put the else condition. Else enter, print false. So if a number is not even, then it is an odd number because we can have only two possibilities here. That is why we are using an else over here. Now we run the program and let's input say 84. Enter. The output says true, which is correct. 84 is an even number. Let's run the program again, and this time we enter 53 as the input and we get the correct output as false. So our code is correct and working. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for an answer of some particular Python practice problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it to others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.